Ever wondered how computers can recognize your handwriting or recommend your next favorite song? It's all thanks to neural networks, AI systems inspired by the human brain. Well, it's all powered by neural networks, these cool AI setups that kind of work like our brains. Stick with me for just 3 minutes and I'll walk you through what they are, how they tick, and why they're such a big deal. Sound good? Let's jump right in. All right, imagine a neural network as this big web of fake neurons all linked up. You've got 3 key parts. The input layer grabs the data, like the pixels in a photo you snap, then hidden layers crunch the patterns and learn from them, and finally the output layer fires off an answer, say spotting a dog in that pic. The awesome thing, unlike old school programs with rigid rules, these networks learn on their own from tons of examples. They tweak their connections over time, just like how our brain builds habits from practice. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's zoom in on one neuron. It's the basic building block. Think of a simple one called a perceptron. It takes inputs like yes or no features, 0 or 1, multiplies them by weights. That's basically how important each one is, adds them up, and if it hits a certain level, boom, it fires off an output. But for smoother learning, we often use sigmoid neurons. They give you probabilities between 0 and 1 with this curve formula. Output equals 1 over 1 plus e to the power of negative sum. It means tiny tweaks in weights lead to gentle changes in output, so the whole system learns without going haywire. Pretty neat, right? Now, how does it actually get smarter? That's where backpropagation comes in. You feed it data, check the output against the real answer, and measure the oops, the error. Then you send that error back through the layers to nudge the weights and fix things up. It's like gradient descent. Picture yourself rolling down a bumpy hill to the bottom where errors are lowest. Do this in small batches of data, rinse and repeat, and voila! The network starts acing its tasks. You wouldn't believe how efficient it gets. Let's make it real. Say, recognizing handwritten numbers. Pop in a scanned digit, the hidden layers pick out edges and loops, and out comes a guess, like a 7. Train it on something like the MNIST dataset with 60,000 examples, and a basic network can hit 96% accuracy. That's often better than us humans on a bad day. These things are everywhere now, from your voice assistant understanding commands to doctors spotting diseases in scans. They tackle stuff that's way too messy for regular code. Wrapping up, neural networks are like trainable brains. Layers of neurons that fine-tune connections with data and some clever math to crush complex problems. Not magic, just super smart tech. If you loved this, make sure to check out my last video, Abacus to Quantum, Evolution of Computers Explained in 5 minutes, right here on Every Tech Minute. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. This is Every Tech Minute. See you in the next 5 minutes.